Are you done?
It's done.
Modular design, detachable battery. Plug and play for easy assembly. Easy to deploy and easy to use. Flexible use improves work efficiency. Bluetooth connection, upload when visualizing data. Freehands and suitable for multiple environments. Scan the code synchronously when picking goods. Switch at will and adapt to multiple scenes. Support more than 30,000 code scans. Scan tip light vibration tip. Synchronizes client system with real-time and time when collecting data.